Google officially shows off Pixel 10 Pro in new moonstone color. Google will unveil the Pixel 10 series on August 20th. Its pre-orders are expected to begin on same date and shipments are slated to start on August 28th. Google Pixel 10 Pro prototype images reveal key specifications and design. The live shots reveal several visual changes compared to the Pixel 9 Pro. The USB-C port at the bottom now sits between two identical cutouts. The SIM tray has been shifted to the top left edge of the device. The Pixel 10 Pro looks pretty much just like its predecessor from last year, as you can see, with the same oval-shaped metal camera island. It is powered by the next-generation Tensor G5 chipset, paired with 16GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, and runs Android 16. The Pixel 10 lineup is expected to include multiple devices, such as the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.